Hello guys, we are back with another problem. Let's see the today's problem, and the problem is reversal linked list. It's a easy question and you can see the accuracy of that question. It's a must do question. If you're preparing for your interview, you you maybe encounter this question, and it's a must do question if you're preparing for your interview. So let's go with that code. If you go with the you can go with iterative way and recursive way both, and you have know about the iterative way of solution. Let's deep dive into the recursive solution because interviewer might be interested to ask in recursive solution too, because iterative solution everyone give the solution. So let's today understand what is recursive approach and how can you approach this question if the interviewer asks to tell the recursive solution. So let's deep dive into that. So you if you know about the recursion it's your help buddy. It's always help you. You have to do one duty. You assign the work to the recursion and totally dependent on that. So let's understand what's how recursion help you. So first and foremost, I added a some condition. If my head is empty, in that case, no need to use recursion. I simply know the answer, return the head because it doesn't contain an element in that case. So I'll return head. Or if head contain only one element, it head next equal to null. It actually denote if I have only one element. In that case, my reverse element is same, so no need to worry about that. I'll simply return head in that case. That's my basic condition, or you can get stopping condition. Now I'm assigning some duty to my recursion. I'm saying to my recursion, I have to handle one thing, and if let's say let's say I have given this array 1 2 3 4 5, and I want what I want. Let's write like this. mm, mm, yeah, right. What actually want to do, I actually use I'm actually helping I'm taking the help of my recursion. What I'm going to do, I'm call it my recursion. Hey recursion, do my one job, please reverse this half of the linked list. After doing your job, what I'm going to do, I made only one change. I'll Okay, let's understand how recursion change this thing. I call it my recursion and saying my recursion, hey recursion, please reverse this linked list. And recursion do me linked list like this. I call it the half of the this part of the linked list, and recursion do its job. It actually convert mm, like this to like this. One actually pointing here, another one is here. 3, it's going to convert in like this. 4, 5 like this. What's actually my duty? I have to change one of these. That's the recursion do. Now my how? No needed about that. Actually recursion do its job. It's reverse this thing. Our one duty, actually our I have I have one duty. I have to change this next pointer to the null, because this one I'll also point to these two, but I don't do this thing. So that's why I'll just reverse this node. Now this my one is going to point null. It's my one of the job, and another job, this two's pointer actually point this one. So one of the first and foremost, what I'm going to do, I created a new head, and what I'm actually do here, just copy this name and call it my recursion, and saying to my recursion, hey recursion, just do the job for the and reverse uh, the this linked list, this sublinked list. It's going to reverse this linked list, and after reversing this linked list, what's my duty? Uh, this how can I get to twist 2? This I have given this pointer head next to next, so I'll get this. So what I'm going to do, head next next, what actually pointed it, I'm going to just change, I will actually change this pointer is going to point this head. So now it's going to point head, and my head next means this value actually going to point null. Head next actually going to point null, and after that what's my duty? I have to return the new head, and that's it. That's my code, guys. Let's compile and run this code. Hmm, that's the same output. Let's submit this code, guys. hmm and it's accepted. So if you have any doubt, let me know in the comment section. I resolve your doubt as soon as possible. Until then, keep grinding, guys.